Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So in this session, I'm going to give you the complete brief about what were the GA question asked in the SBI PO last examination. Guys, they are not going to repeat the questions of last year. So my objective to tell you about the last year question is not like these are the questions which were asked. I want to tell you about the topics month, that which were the important topic last year, which were the important months last year. So accordingly, we can take the outcome that what are the topics and important months we need to prepare for this year, especially for SBI PU means examination in general awareness where the weightage of GA is very high. ठीक है, तो समझ आ गया. क्वेश्चन डिस्कस नहीं करने वाला हूं मैं ज्यादा देर. मैं आपको सिर्फ टॉपिक बताऊंगा. दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक, दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक, और टॉपिक को हमको हाईलाइट कर लेना है. ठीक है. So maximum question, see, first of all, exam was conducted on 13th of September 2025. This was the date of examination. तो अगर हम देखें क्या सितंबर मंथ के क्वेश्चंस आए थे, वेरी लेस, मॉडरेट, वेरी लेस. इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, देयर वाज अराउंड 2 to 3 questions from the month of September, not very less. That's 2 from 1st to 6th और 7th of September. तो आपका सितंबर मंथ जो था उसके क्वेश्चंस काफी कम थे, अराउंड 2 क्वेश्चंस एज पर माय नॉलेज. रिमेनिंग मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस केम फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई, अगस्त, जून. सो जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, this was the dominating, around 60 to 65% of question paper came from these month. इन महीनों से आपका जो मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन पेपर था वो क्रिएट हुआ था. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैड द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल एंड मे. 1 or 2 क्वेश्चन केम फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ मार्च ऑल्सो, फेब ऑल्सो. सो इफ आई विल आस्क यू टू क्रिएट अ लिस्ट and create a list of the questions of the month from where less number of question came, या किन महीनों से आपके पास कम क्वेश्चंस आए थे, तो they were March, Feb and September. So March, Feb and September, these were the areas from where we had very less questions. बहुत ही कम क्वेश्चंस थे. मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस were from July, August and June. क्लियर हो गया. अभी टॉपिक की बात कर लेते हैं. So the questions, around 40% of question, around 40%. Today I have around 43 questions with me. So out of that, 40% of the question paper in your examination was from the topic of banking awareness. Banking awareness means they ask you few questions of static banking, few questions of current in banking. So static banking, current in banking and including RBI circulars, इस टॉपिक से आपके पास 40% क्वेश्चन पेपर था, मैक्सिमम वेटेज. After that, we had around 25% question from the government schemes and policies. Then 15% question from economy and trade, like what was the total export, FDI investment, after that remittance of India, rank of India in term of remittance, these type of questions. So economy and trade related 15%, environment, agriculture, that's too related to the government policy like MSP and all. तो MSP वगैरह के questions आए थे आपके पास, minimum support price for the rabi crop, these type of questions were there. Sports and awards से questions कम थे, around 7%. International affairs also had a good quantity of the question, around 10%. So 5 to 6 questions were there, and static GK questions were also less. Static GK question where they ask you headquarter and first in India, इस तरीके के जो questions थे वो आपके पास कम थे. Currently guys, if you will check, your hustle batch price is very low. You can check the price if it is available at 699, because it was a birthday offer going on the hustle batch. So you can check the offer and join the batch where you can cover all the topic at one place. Second thing, our bundle PDF course is available at just 368 rupees. So started from 368, bundle PDF course is available. You can get the opportunity of this particular offer. Now I'm going quickly through the questions. My objective is again not to discuss the question and answer with you. I just want to let you know that from which topic we had more number of questions. Like I have told you, banking and finance have majority of the question. So vice president and chief risk officer of NDB. So although this is a topic of appointment, but again it was from the banking and finance news. तो ये भी appointment topic था, but banking finance news से था. Second question was related to प्रधानमंत्री जीवन योजना. So it was a government scheme topic. So banking finance government scheme, which is the first airport in India developed under the public private partnership PPP mode. So it was against the topic of the government scheme, or you can keep in the category of news of नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस. तो न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस की कैटेगरी में रख लोगे. कोचिन इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट वाज द आंसर. द फर्स्ट वाइल्ड लाइफ कॉरिडोर एस्टेब्लिश, तो न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस हो गया आपके पास. इंटरनेशनल टाइगर डे, न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस, और द क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू इंपॉर्टेंट डेज. Then for the financial year 25-26, question related to RBI. तो अगेन बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस. विच कंपनी हैव लॉन्च्ड नेक्स्ट बैंकिंग? सो आंसर वाज लोहारा प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. अगेन बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस. प्रवाह, आरबीआई का क्वेश्चन था. प्रवाह पोर्टल, Prava portal of RBI. So it was against the question of Reserve Bank of India, platform for the regulatory application, validation and authorization. So one question again from RBI. Then this was the question from the sports. ये question आपका sports से related आया था, self help group, not sports. It was a question related to award. Award से related आपका ये वाला question था. Award related question था. That was Equator Prize, Bibi Fatima Women's Self Help Group from the Karnataka was related to the Equator Prize. तो ये था award. Again back to RBI. तो फिर से RBI का question आ गया. Then one question was there from sports. 2 to 3 question total came from the sports. Another question, NACH, National Automated Clearing House, Banking, Finance, RBI. To stabilize the domestic price, Government of India have stopped exports of cotton till which date? So कॉटन का एक्सपोर्ट सितंबर 2025 तक के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया था? रोका था. 11% इंपोर्ट ड्यूटी वाज इम्पोज्ड ऑन द कॉटन इंपोर्ट. इंपोर्ट के ऊपर गवर्नमेंट ने जो है 11% का ड्यूटी लगाया था. तो ये स्टेबलाइज द कॉटन प्राइसेस. सो इट वाज अ न्यूज रिलेटेड टू इकोनॉमी. इसको हम लोग रखते हैं इकोनॉमी रिलेटेड न्यूज में. सो इकोनॉमी रिलेटेड न्यूज था आपका ये. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट फाइनेंशियल आउटले फॉर द मेराइट स्कीम. सो स्कीम रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन इट वाज. देन लोन टू वैल्यू रेशियो, आरबीआई गाइडलाइन, अगेन आरबीआई न्यूज. Then DAF fund, again RBI news. Government approved PM Mitra Park scheme in news. One time FASTag annual pass payment, so economy related news. Then MSP, so this was a news related to agriculture, or you can keep into economy part. तो either आप आप banking finance या economy part में इसको भी रख सकते हैं. 1.5 times of the comprehensive production. Then the question related to Safai Karmachari, it was a government scheme news. Then Indian foreign currency defense stock held between which country? तो ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन था. इंटरनेशनल न्यूज ऑफ इंटरनेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस का क्वेश्चन था. ई श्रम पोर्टल गवर्नमेंट स्कीम है. आरबीआई सर्वे कंडक्टेड हाउ मेनी टाइम इन ईयर? आरबीआई रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन था. In 2025, which country became the 10th to eliminate the sleeping sickness? So it was a news of international importance. तो international importance का क्वेश्चन था. August 2025. Then validity period of Department of Post and Association of the Mutual Fund of India. Again news related to banking and finance for the providing the mutual fund in the rural areas. उसके लिए collaboration हुआ था Department of Post का along with the Association of Mutual Fund of India. So 3 years के लिए collaboration था. Indian rupee, CBDC. Again RBI back to the news that what is the minimum, what is the interest payable on the CBDC wallet? So 0%. Then one question was related to sports. The sports related question tha. GDP growth rate, economy related question. NPCI, again banking and finance or RBI related news. Then after that 13 defense exercise, defense cooperation. So news of international importance. Then National Turmeric Board headquarter located in which city? Nizamabad, Telangana. News of national importance tha. After that port related question, news of international importance. India Nepal remittance in the NEFT, again back to the RBI related question. NEFT का question था 50,000 rupee. Then defense ministry related question था आपके पास. One question was Kigali agreement which is related to ozone depletion. So it was also news of international importance. If I will go through with all the questions, you will find out of total there are mainly 4 to 5 topics which you can prepare properly. One, RBI circular, RBI news, banking and financial news including economy. After that news of national importance, government scheme, news of international importance. अगर आप ये 5 topic अच्छे से कर लो, like positive पे, it is a question of check topic. So if you are covering the banking awareness properly, आप आराम से आंसर कर सकते हैं. Another question, NEFT, RTGS related, back to the RBI circular or banking financial news. MSP related question था. This was related to agriculture, or again we cover it in the economy part. तो ये मेनली आपके क्वेश्चंस थे, where most of the questions were from RBI circular. ये लास्ट 2 years का मैं आपको एनालिसिस बता देता हूँ. 24-25 मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन RBI circular, गवर्नमेंट स्कीम, बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस, इकोनॉमी, एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. आफ्टर दैट इंटरनेशनल न्यूज. यहीं पर लिख सकते हो आप न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस. तो न्यूज ऑफ नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस, न्यूज ऑफ इंटरनेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस and government scheme, banking awareness, RBI related topic, these areas have the maximum weightage. Less number of questions, sports related, static GK, awards, इंपॉर्टेंट इज वहां से नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कम थे हमारे. वन सॉल्यूशन वेयर यू कैन ज्वाइन एंड प्रिपेयर कंप्लीट बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस, वेयर स्टैटिक जीके, फाइनेंशियल मार्केट, इंश्योरेंस अवेयरनेस, complete detailed banking awareness. After that, monthly topic wise current affairs, separately RBI circular in depth in detail, then MCQs, SEBI circular and MCQs, everything is available at one place. That is your Hustle 3.0 batch. Join it today, start your preparation properly. And one last thing, that is your bundle PDF course is available from 368 rupees. This was my first video. Once the notification is out, I will be coming back with the proper detail one more time strategy, how many months current affairs, what are the important topic, what are the important circulars of RBI you need to cover, वो भी मैं आपको बता दूंगा. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it, share with your friend. Very soon we are expecting the SBI PO notification. That is why today I have dropped this video. Take care. Jai Hind. All the very best.